like this one. It was definitely worth the hour wait. It was definitely worth this hour wait for it. Oh, look behind us! This is definitely worth the hour wait. Yay! Totally worth that hour wait. That's all I gotta say. Totally worth that hour wait.